Hello guys, this is Irina Kabak and I am a professional makeup artist and a skincare therapist. This is the second video of my new series about how to look younger, and I would recommend to watch the first one about the lymphatic drainage massage. This one is going to be about how to prevent and how to minimize the second chin. If you have a second chin just starting appearing, this will help, and if you don't have anything, these methods will help to minimize it or prevent it. If you are interested in this topic, please stay with me and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment.